Hi everyone, welcome to Nano11 and back to GIT Tutorial video series. In our previous video, we have learnt about Introduction to Git. In today's video, I will talk about what is the need for a version control system and also why do we need Git. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. To get clear understanding on why we need Git, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. Need for version control system (VCS). Version control system enable to move faster during software development by allowing the team to preserve agility and efficiency. It allows the change history of every file for longer time. That is, it has a history of all the changes made by every individual during an year, which include addition and deletion of files and also the content changes. It also helps managing complete history by going back to previous versions, which thereby helps in root cause analysis, that is RCA of bugs, thereby helping in fixing the bugs in earlier software versions. It helps to maintain individual branches, merge code, and also it makes it easy for code comparison. It has the ability in tracing every change made to the software and also connect to the project management and also bug tracking software like Jira. It also helps to manage annotated history of changes. It also enables us to revert to the previous changes. Let us try to understand why Git is needed. Git is flexible in various aspects such as compatibility with several development workflows which are non-linear. It is also efficient with various existing systems and protocols. It offers good performance in terms of version control systems. Git works efficiently with small as well as large scale projects. It optimizes memory usage by keeping reference of file which is not changed instead of making a copy of it using new version. It is a distributed kind of version control system. That is, when remote or central repository goes down, work can be continued. It handles security using SHA-1 cryptographic method. That is, this algorithm manages our work so that we can work securely with files, directories, such that our work will not be corrupted. Git is a de facto standard, as it is the more widely used tool of its kind within the industry. As Git is open source software, developers from all over the world can contribute to the software by adding more versions to it. These are some useful URL links related to Git downloads. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.